Are you sure about that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that you can continue. Okay, so I guess today is an unboxing day and let's start with the unboxing of Huawei's Band 6. Yeah, that's right. Here we go. Speaking about Huawei's Band 6, it has compact build with the features of smartwatch. The polymer fiberglass has a metallic finish to it, and that could be the reason why this band only weighs 18 gram. It is available in 4 colors: the graphite black, forest green, the one that I'm wearing, the amber sunrise, and screw-upping. As far as the comfort when wearing is concerned, it is quite comfortable even when you are sleeping. I've tried this. It's been 4 days I'm using this continuously even when sleeping, and it did not cause any trouble or allergic reaction. It is the first Huawei band with 1.47 inches AMOLED display that has a 64% screen to body ratio. That is the reason it is pretty convenient to use. The 0.7mm of narrow width of bezels also contributes to its huge screen size, especially in this form factor. The back of the Band 6 houses a lot of sensors and 2 magnetic charging pins. We'll get back to the charging and the battery life in the later part of the video. Meanwhile, speaking of the sensors, it has heart rate, sleep, stress, and most importantly, all-day SpO2 sensor with an option to enable notification if the value drops below a certain percentage. It is a feature that is definitely going to be helpful for a lot of users out there. To change the faces of the band, tap and hold on the face and then swipe left or right and choose the face that you want to enable. The Band 6 can store up to 36 faces with more than 100 available in the Huawei's Health app that you can download and install on the band. And the best part that I think is only available in this band is that you can customize the widgets on specific watch faces as per your liking. There's also an option to set a custom photo from the gallery as a watch face, and I found this feature to be exactly what I needed. Swiping down from the home screen displays a list of shortcuts that includes Do Not Disturb mode that disables the vibration and you won't be disturbed by the notifications anymore. The other shortcut includes 10 minutes on screen time, which is pretty great if you want to keep the watch bright for the next 10 minutes. Apart from that, Find My Phone and Alarm Clock along with the setting menu are also sitting in the shortcut menu. Swiping up the screen displays notifications that includes calls, messages, and also the health reports generated by the Huawei's Health app. Swiping left to right or right to left will show you screens like continuous heart rate monitoring, which is obtained through Huawei's TrueScene 4.0, and that, according to company, is an efficient and less power consumption tech that also increase the battery life while keeping an all-day track of your heart rate. Then there is this stress monitoring, which can be enabled through Huawei's Health app by answering few personalized questions about yourself. Other screens include weather report, music controls, and a summary of your daily activities, and then you will be back to your home screen. You do get an option to customize your favorite screens in the settings menu, and that is pretty awesome. The physical button of the Huawei's Band 6 that is on the right side displays a menu starting with the workout mode that has 96 different exercises, starting with the cycling, walking, running, swimming, and there are also plenty of indoor exercises as well. There's also this automatic workout recognition mode that can be enabled through Huawei's Health app. It utilizes the artificial intelligence and detects the workout mode. It is going to be helpful for a lot of customers who do not want to set a custom exercise mode manually. And eventually they'll have one less thing to worry about. The Huawei's Band 6 is 5 ATM water resistant. That means it is certified for swimming, so you can take it along with you when you are going for swimming. I've tested it personally, and the 5 ATM water rating means it can withstand pressures equivalent to a depth of 50 meters, so you do not have to worry about. It will not only withstand the pressures, but it will also record and provide an accurate data of your swimming exercises. The sleep mode tracker is really helpful and it not only tracks your sleep patterns but suggests you tips to sleep better. And I did not find this feature useful in a lot of other bands, but in this particular one it is highly optimized and I can vouch that it is pretty accurate. Other practical features include music controls and camera shutter, and the camera shutter also works when your phone is locked, and I found this particular feature pretty useful because I do not have to unlock the phone. I just have to tap the shutter button and it will open the camera app and then capture the image. And I found this feature to be really useful for me at least. And like any other smart band that's available out there, the Band 6 also carries the stopwatch, timer and alarm options just in case you're interested in those. You can always change your favorite screens, like I've changed my weather screen and replaced it with the sleep patterns because I've found them to be more useful than checking weather. You can always check for the firmware update without touching your smartphone directly through the settings, restart this band, and also there's an option to reset it if you want to go for that. As far as the battery life of the Huawei Band 6 is concerned, it is a lightweight band with a compact design, yet it can last up to 14 days on a single charge, but for the peoples with intensive use, it can work well above 8 days when using its notification and a lot of other stuff like exercises continuously and regularly on the daily basis. And up to 8 days of battery life with full-on notifications and exercises is definitely impressive. So as far as the battery life is concerned, it is pretty okay and above average compared to other bands. Okay, so now it's time for the verdict, and as far as my verdict with the Huawei Band 6 is concerned, it is pretty easy for me to recommend this particular band because it has a lot of features which includes all the SpO2 monitoring, the continuous heart rate monitoring, along with the sleep records and the tips that it provides you to improve your sleeping patterns, and with that the all-day stress level monitoring, and above all of these features, the battery life that this band offers, which is almost 14 days for normal users and up to 8 days for stressful users who uses a smart band continuously for exercises and a lot of other stuff. So definitely the Huawei Band 6 is a value for money device and I can easily recommend it to you guys. And with that being said, I do hope that you have already liked this video and subscribed to the TechWafer, and if you did not, you shouldn't wait any longer. Please press the subscribe button, and if you have any query related to the Band 6 or the technology, you can let me know down in the comment section below and I will make sure to reply your queries. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.